Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Subway Memes. Thanks to our top memers for providing memes. BFB Shopping Cart, Leon, Patrick Shen, Badgie, Halifax Transit Supervisor, AZ, MS61 CD 1971, B13 to Gateway Mall, NJ Transit, Nostaby, Prodan, Train Lord. If you want to submit a meme, please join our Discord server or subreddit. Both links are in the description. Anyways, time for the memes. Bro, he actually opened the door. No one. Absolutely no one. Nerds. Shut up and take my money. We're not gonna release our 211. Change my mind. Munipals R160C train. Windows XP. Put R32 on A line. Me. F line terminating at Coney Island. F line terminating at Church Avenue. MTA. Service status. Fire is everywhere. The scream of ghosts. A wolf howls in the distance. The sky turns red. Prepare for delays. LNERA4. GWR57. Being associated with ducks. Drifting doesn't work so well. When you miss a special train home. There is an R179 on the EXP track. Panic. There will be an R32 on the local. Calm. But you miss the R32. Panic. Munipals chart. Me worried about not getting my munipals. Me confident about getting my munipals. Septuagonal rail. Diesel operations. All old trains come out and run for a year. R211 come early. Alright peeps, that's all the memes we've got for today. Again, if you would like to submit memes, join our Discord server. Thanks for watching.